World financial capitals. These are today's top stories brought to you by Garnet Trade.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Emily in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator has plunged into the oversold area. The Aussie dollar pair has stood still in the last session. The Williams indicator has transitioned into positive territory. The euro dollar pair has remained muted in the last session. The RSI has bounced upwards into neutral territory. Bitcoin has gained 0.8% in the last session. The CCI is receding and is currently oversold.
Moving on to world financial news.
MicroStrategy said it plans to sell up to $400 million in a convertible senior note sale that will fund yet more Bitcoin allocations. The new guidelines for search engines in the EU going into effect will be followed by additional rules for tech companies next week. The dollar slid against most currencies in choppy trading as investors looked ahead to a possible new COVID-19 US stimulus deal and vaccines to fight the pandemic.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The Australian NAB business confidence will be released at 30 minutes past midnight GMT, the Swiss unemployment rate at 0645 GMT, the German ZEW economic sentiment at 10 GMT. The Eurozone's GDP at 10 GMT, the US NFIB small business optimism at 1100 GMT, the Japanese M3 money supply at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.